Now, the other components of the application that you are typically going to be required to submit will be a personal statement or some type of essay. I encourage you to read the instructions for each application very carefully. Some schools like us have an open-ended essay option where we don't really provide you any guidance as what you need to write about. We just like to learn more about you, and you can do that and write about anything you'd like in 2 pages or less. Some schools will give you very specific questions that they want answered as a part of the personal statement. So be sure to read over those carefully and submit the required information. I also encourage you to pay attention to the space limitations. So it is very common for schools to give you a page limit or perhaps a word count limit. And so that would be important to adhere to. Most schools will also offer you the option to submit a diversity statement if there's information that pertains to diversity that you would like included in your application. And typically you also have the option to submit any type of other optional attachments or essays. So for example, some students may need to explain something related to a question they answered in regards to character and fitness. Some students may wish to give us further explanation as to information that's on their transcript. For example, if they had one year in which perhaps their grades weren't as high as they were the other years, it can be useful for us to have a brief explanation as to the circumstances surrounding the particular semester or year in question. Again, I encourage you to be precise and succinct and not have too lengthy of documents, remembering that the admissions committees have hundreds or sometimes thousands of applications that they're reading in a given year. And so providing the information that you'd like to share in a very brief way can be helpful.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.